Okay, well, this is my last video on the Samsung refrigerator that we bought. It's almost $3,000. After hours and hours and days of fighting with Samsung, they finally fixed the ice maker. Supposedly, I didn't get a chance to really see if it was going to work because in the process, right before they put the ice maker in, lo and behold, the compressor went out, or the seals. The freezer was not working. They installed the ice maker. It it was working for a while, but I'm not sure if it ever would have worked. But the compressor is out now. So after hours and hours of battling with them, they don't have um, a technician in the area that can even work on these things anymore. So they wanted me to try to do that, and I can't get anybody to do it. So this thing's gone. It's a piece of junk. Don't waste your money on these things. It was almost $3,000. We're replacing it with a side by side with the ice maker inside of the freezer. These things are nothing but junk, and Samsung sucks. Their technical assistants and or supposed to have a 10-year warranty on the compressor and all that, and I just got nothing but shit from these fuckers. Don't ever buy one of these things. You'll regret it. It's gone today. I've had it.